In this sacred season, stop pouring into people who are not pouring into you. Stop pouring into people that do not pour into you. When it is not reciprocated, let it go. There are some people in your life that are literally going to drain you of everything. They are going to drain you of your energy. They are going to drain you of your kindness. They are going to drain you financially. And some people are going to drain you spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. If they are not pouring into you, they are not supporting you with whatever you are doing. And I'm not even saying that a person has to support you financially, because sometimes people do not have the means to support you financially. That is okay. But if they are not pouring into you spiritually, they are not pouring into you, motivating you in some kind of way, emotionally, just pouring into you when it comes to the things of life, just being there for you, loving you, and just being there, let it go. Some people will never reciprocate what you give them, and that is okay. Because at some point, you need to learn to just let it go. You need to learn to just let them go. You have to allow them to figure it out on their own. You have to allow them to be able to make the moves that they need to make in life without you. You're not going to be able to help everyone and anyone. You have to learn when to let it go. When people do not pour into you, let it go. When it's not reciprocated, let it go, because some people are only in your life to take and they do not give. And for those people, you have to let them go and allow them to be able to learn the things that they need to learn in order to get to the next level of their life. Stop giving everything you have until you have nothing. Stop giving your last each and every time. And then when you need something, they are not there for you. Some people are literally leeches. They are going to leech off everything that you have. But when the time comes and you need their help, that love, that help, that support, that encouragement, it's not reciprocated. And that is okay, because you have to learn to let go of people and allow them to be of your past. Sometimes you just have to talk to people from a distance. You don't necessarily have to be around them. You don't necessarily have to be in their presence. You don't necessarily have to give them money. You don't necessarily have to, do the things that you are doing. Because at some point, you need to learn to say no. Like I've literally learned, this past year, that no is a complete sentence. No, I cannot help you. No, I don't have $20 for you. No, I can't do that. No. It is okay to say no. You need to learn when it is time to say yes and it is time to say no. Because if not, you are going to be at a standstill in your life, because you're constantly giving, 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 and draining yourself of everything, where you're not even going to be able to help yourself. Understand it, learn it, figure out what you can do instead of helping someone financially, instead of giving everything that you have mentally and emotionally. You got to take care of yourself first. If you don't take care of yourself, you're never going to be able to help others. How can you pour into someone when you have an empty cup? Make it make sense. It doesn't. So start choosing you first, because you deserve it. Love yourself enough to know when to let go. And y'all know some of these people, y'all just need to let go. It doesn't matter if they're family. It doesn't matter if you've been friends for 10, 20, 30 years. Some people are who they are. And at some point, they got to figure it out. Everybody has to figure out their own stuff. Everyone has to figure it out on their own journey, like in their own way. However long it takes them, they got to figure it out. And you need to allow them to figure it out. Don't enable people. Because I promise you, when you enable people, at some point, they're not going to learn anything. They're not going to learn anything. We have to let people completely fall and get back up and figure it out after that. Because everybody is going to have times in their life where they fall. We all have times where we fall, where there is failure, and we get back up and figure it out. So allow them to do the same. Until next time, you guys, bye.